Welcome to the Artificial Intelligence Academy. This is Lawrence Wilson here in Silicon Valley. I'd like to share with you today the programming foundations of classification and regression models as they relate to machine learning with Python programming language. This training program will help take your Python programming language and machine learning skills to the next level to help distinguish you from your colleagues and or your competition in the global marketplace. This program is designed around a series of AI projects that will help you learn classification and regression models, use train test splits, along with tailored classification and regression metrics for machine learning, as well as learning the usage of your learning modules. Now, the program is structured around 6 core training packages. First of all, software background to Numpy as well as Matplotlib. Second, mathematical background. Third, beginning classification. Fourth, beginning classification advanced, as well as regression, both beginning and advanced regression models. So I think you can see there's a lot of rich content designed around these training modules, each of which will give you a core skill that will help advance your Python machine learning expertise, open up new career opportunities for you, as well as new learning and income opportunities as well. So I invite you to visit our website by clicking on the link directly below our video. As always, we have the full course curriculum, information that can help answer any of your questions, as well as how you can register today and begin advancing your machine learning career with Python with these newly acquired skills of classification and regression. This is Lawrence Wilson for AIA, wishing you much success. Hope to see you soon.